Sinocare Biosensors Company Limited is a high-tech company which is committed to the research, development, production and sales of products for detecting chronic diseases rapidly through biosensor technology. With the company purpose of keeping promises and contributing to health, we have been focusing on promoting the development of diabetes health since our company was founded in 2002. Sinocare Incorporation. Sensing tomorrow and moving towards the world. Experiencing trials and hardships for more than 20 years, our Sinocare people have always been following the values of equity, integrity, innovation and excellence, and forging ahead with great achievements. In 2002, the company was established. In 2012, the company was listed on Central Stock Exchange. In 2015,